Hello po mga kababayan, this is Nancy Bicolana. Pasensya na po kayo, talagang hindi na po ako nakakapag-upload palagi. Paminsan-minsan na lang siguro. Ngayon po mga kababayan, gusto ko lamang na pag-usapan natin, may napansin kasi ako eh. I want ko po kung napansin nyo rin. Parang sa akin lang ito ha, opinion ko mukha yatang yung prosecution panel ay parang nang-iisa sila. Nag-i-instill sila ng mga bagay sa isipan ng taong bayan na parang kunyari hindi napapansin. Ito naman pong si presiding officer, si Escudero, parang napapansin ko rin palagi na lang nakakiling dito sa prosecution panel. So, ito ba, sa tingin ko, ito ba, Escudero, ay talagang napag-usapan na kunyari, pakakagatin mo kami na medyo gandang maayos magpatakbo, balance, pero madalas mong parang lagi kang nakalining sa prosecution panel. Ito po mga kababayan, at papakita ko na lang sa inyo ang video na kumuha ko ng ilan para maipakita ko sa inyo ang example kung bakit ako ngumangawa dito. Unang-una, noong si Kapunan, di ba? Noong pinapa-withdraw nila, yung si Attorney Zuleika Lopez as their witness, ang haba ng kanyang pananalita. Walang nagreklamo, walang nagsalita, kahit si Alan or si presiding officer hindi nagsalita. Pero maraming nakapansin. Nainis nga ako dahil sabi ng iba, napansin nila, hindi lang nagsalita. Ba't di kayo nagsalita? Yan ang problema sa atin eh. Ang problema, yung mga kalaban ninyo, walang rules, walang batas-batas sa kanila. Nakikita naman natin. Talagang kumbaga inuunggoy na ito. Pangalawa, ipakita ko na lang man po sa inyo. Pangalawa, siguro naman wala dito sa video ko. Pangalawa, yung hinihiling nila na subpoena para sa financial record ni VP Sara, pinagbigyan nyo na naman. Bakit 2007 hanggang 2021? Dito ko na po ipapakita sa inyo yung video na bagang pansinin ninyo ang mga banat ni Luestro. Kahit nga po ang defense na si Attorney Sison, napansin na rin niya, kaya tumayo na rin siya. Si Senator Pia Cayetano, nagsalita na rin. And actually, mga kababayan, hindi niya pinapurma itong si Luestro. Pakinggan na, panoorin na po natin itong pinagsama-sama kung ilang bits and pieces po na video na parang nakikita ko nga na talagang kahit pa po itanggi nitong si Luestro na hindi namin sinasabi, hindi kami nagbibigay o nag-i-influence sa mga senator, judges, sa taong bayan. Pero kayo po ang humusga. Ito po. Pakinggan natin. Go ahead. Go.
The prosecution further manifests that we will not be presenting as well the following witnesses for Article 4, that is threat. Number 1, Your Honor, is the Philippine National Police Firearms and Explosives Office representative. The witness intended to testify that the respondent owns firearms, including the high-powered ones, which demonstrate the capacity and capability to execute the threat.
May napansin kayo doon? One time ko lang itong ihinto. Napansin kayo doon na sinasabi niya ang respondent daw po ay may pag-aaring mga baril, including high-powered. Kaya nga po, idinidemonstrate daw dito, ayan na conclusion idinidemonstrate daw po dito ang kanyang kakayahan na mag-execute ng threat. Was it necessary? Nagko-conclude na siya dito, di ba? Akin lang yon. I could be wrong. Pero palagi siya nagsasalita ng ganyan na parang meron na siyang conclusion ito pa.
Number 2, Your Honor, is Michael Flores and Bons Magsambol. They belong to the press who were present during the November 23 video conference. They will be testifying that they were among the reporters or media persons who were present during the video conferencing, and to the fact that they heard the respondent utter the threat against the President, the First Lady, and the former Speaker. On the other hand, Your Honor, the testimony of Agent Calilong already established that the video is authentic, plus, considering, Your Honor, the defense's subsequent admission that the same are authentic videos, Your Honor. Number 3, Your Honor, is Sheriff Abe Andres, the witness intended to testify on the 2011 incident pertaining to the violence allegedly committed by the respondent on the sheriff. Number 4, Your Honor, is the family member of a victim of threats. The witness intended to testify on the effect, the gravity, and the seriousness of the threat allegedly committed by the respondent. On the other hand, Your Honor, Attorney Lotto already testified that threat is a private crime and its prosecution does not depend on the complaint, participation, and even the subjective feeling of the victim, including his families.
Thank you for the clarification, Your Honor. But on another matter, this is not an objection, just a statement or a manifestation with the kind indulgence of this honorable
Counsel may
court.
proceed.
Sinapansin kasi po niya. Marami pa yan na ilan lang yung kinuha ko na para bang nagko-conclude na to si Luistro.
And the senators, judges. Yesterday, at the conclusion of the hearing, we have heard a manifestation from the good lady, Attorney Kapunan, with some suggestion on how to speedily proceed with the rest of the presentation of the prosecution for Article 4. And I think towards the end of her speech, which was quite lengthy, was really just essentially informing this court about the fact that they will no longer present Attorney Lopez, whom they had requested subpoena for, as well as Ms. Belinda Bello. But my point is, I'm not objecting to the good counsel's manifestation or even the manner by which she delivered it yesterday or the lead prosecutor's manifestations today. Only that my concern is those manifestations are almost always accompanied with lengthy discourse containing conclusions of law and facts that in reality only this impeachment court can really determine. Now, why is this a concern for the defense? Because this affects the fairness and balance of this impeachment court and the way it would perceive whatever manifestations or expressions of sentiments or discourses that counsel for both parties will deliver before this court and before the public. Naririnig po tayo ng taong bayan at man ang sabihin ng ating mga kagalang-galang na mga miyembro, no, officers of or members of the bar who also are officers of the court, and we all know that we are before the impeachment court and therefore we should try evidence and not advocate for the conclusions or the positions that we may have already made even before we went to this trial. And so I'm just expressing a concern on behalf of the defense and just for the guidance of both parties. If the only message that either, and this goes for both parties, if the only intent really is just to withdraw witnesses, and perhaps it would better serve the purpose of aiding the speedy disposition of this case if that fact alone will, be the only thing that will be mentioned without factual assertions or conclusions of facts or even interpretations of the law. I think that would be more fair for everyone and for the guidance of the public and this court. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you for your indulgence.
May I comment, Your Honor?
No need, counsel.
No need. Kasi sabi niya, kung gusto niyo talagang i-withdraw lang yan, i-withdraw niyo na lang. Hindi yung parang nagsasalita pa kayo, kumbaga na meron na kayong interpretation ng batas, meron na kayong conclusion. Kung talagang concern kayo, kumbaga, sa para makasave ng time, wag na, kumbaga, i-withdraw niyo na lang. Hindi yung, kumbaga, di ba? Ano-ano pang sinasabi. Hindi niya sinabi yun, ako nagsabi.
Chair, react to the statements made by lead counsel for the respondent. The presiding officer took it as the statements as akin to a tender offer of excluded evidence. Very similar to that. Although we are not yet at that stage, although evidence has not yet been excluded.
Inahayaan mo naman kasi, Scudero, kahit pa yan ang sinasabi mo.
The presiding officer took it as that. Therefore, what is your pleasure? I'll give it to the counsel for respondent. Should you decide not to call witnesses in your witness list, do you want the same privilege of being able to make a tender, meaning an explanation of why you won't be calling these witnesses? If not, given the fact that it was given already to the counsel for the, rather to the prosecutors, or we will simply remind both parties to cease from doing so henceforth.
Inooperan mga kababayan ang defense kung gusto raw ba na kung sila daw ay magpapa-withdraw din ng kanilang witnesses, pwede, kumbaga, gagawin din nila yung ginawa ni Luis Tro, napakalingti na parang nagkukonclude na siya, di ba? Itong sagot ng defense.
I give you the equal opportunity, counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor.
What is your pleasure?
Let me just clarify, Your Honor. With respect to the presiding officer's statement on it, the chair taking the prosecution's manifestations of tender excluded evidence, we respectfully disagree, because if this is a tender excluded evidence, as the presiding officer had said, there was, number one, there's no excluded evidence, because number two, they never offered it in the first place, and number three, they didn't, in fact, withdrew the presentation of these 5, 6, or 7 remaining witnesses that they listed in their pretrial brief. Number two, Your Honor, I'm not actually asking for any special treatment or privilege or even the same amount of time that were given to the lengthy manifestations and discourses by members of the prosecution. All I'm asking is if the parties may be guided and from making conclusions of law that in fact really just advocate the position, because I think we all agree that at no point during this trial that the prosecution and defense will probably say, you know, I agree with you on this point of evidence or on this point of law. I think mahalaga nating maintindihan yun, because the prosecution clearly has taken side, defense taken side, and we are advocating for totally divergent views and opinions. All I'm asking, Your Honor, is that if the intent truly is to aid this court in speedy disposition of this case in a fair and balanced manner, just so also with the considering that we are being watched by the people, no? Yung ating mga mamamayan na sa tingin ko gusto rin nilang matuto mula dito sa paglilitis na ito, sapagkat sila interesado rin sa kung paano ba pinapagana ang batas sa bayang ito at kung paano pinatutupad yung mga karapatan, no, ng mga tao at kung paano binibigyan ng pantay na halaga yung prosekusyon at depensa. All I'm asking is, if the intent is just to say we're withdrawing, then that's it. Just
Diba?
state the intent, and then without any conclusions, Your Honor, because conclusions
Yan.
really are just for the courts to make and not for either of the parties. Thank you, Your Honor.
So noted, as the court said, it is akin to and not exactly a tender offer. Therefore, the court will now remind both parties to kindly limit any such manifestations on the withdrawal or change or on the withdrawal of their witnesses, to kindly limit it to the withdrawal of such witnesses, and it applies to both sides,
Thank
both
you,
the
Your Honor.
prosecution and the respondent side, should that time come on the part of the respondent. So ordered. Any other matters to be taken up?
Thank you, Your Honor. None from the defense, Your Honor.
So,
Quick manifestation, Your Honor.
I'm sorry?
Quick manifestation, Your Honor.
Ayan na naman.
Yes,
Just to respond to the manifestation of the defense.
Yes, the Honorable Luis.
Nice ko lamang pong ipaalala sa ating mga kababayan, this is a constitutional process. This is of paramount of importance. And therefore, providing the reasons for the withdrawal of these witnesses need to be communicated as well to the viewing public, Your Honor. Kailangan pong maintindihan ng ating mga kababayan ang naging hakbang ng prosekusyon kung bakit wini-withdraw ang mga pangalan ng ibang testigo para sa Artikulo 4, and that is threat. That is for the record only, Your Honor.
Noted. Court already made a ruling. Senator Judge Cayetano.
Naman si
Sir
Senator
Senate President,
Cayetano.
Mr. Presiding Officer, I agree with you both, and there's a solution to that. Let me start by I agree with the defense. Actually, I was going to stand up yesterday, but with all due respect to a good lawyer, Attorney Kapunan, and to the fact that my seatmate, Senator Miggs, was very proud of her, saying that she's his ninang, I did not stand up anymore. The problem with explaining why you're withdrawing
Yan.
is actually you are feeding to the court something they did not
Ayan.
testify to. And then something the defense cannot object to.
Di ba? Yun nga. Yung nagpapaliwanag na siya sa kanilang withdraw, nagpapaliwanag sila, ay para na silang kumbaga, nagpipid na sila sa senator judge. Di ba? kumbaga, ini-instill na nila kung ano man yun ang gustong i-instill nila sa isipan ng Senator Judge at ng mga tao na sabi nga ni Senator Alan, hindi masasagot ng defense. Di ba? So doon ako pumasok na nang iisa talaga sila, mga kababayan. So alam nilang hindi masasagot ng defense, so bumanat sila ng bumanat. Di ba? Tapos sasabihin nila, paliwanag lang yun kung bakit namin wini-withdraw yung aming witnesses. Bakit ang haba ng paliwanag nyo? Bakit mo sinasabi na dapat i-withdraw namin yung isang witness namin from PNP. Siya po ay magtitestify sana na ang respondents ay may pag-aari ng mga barrel at mga high powers. At yan po ay kumbaga parang nagpapakita na may kakayanan na mag-execute ng banta ang respondent. Ano yun? Sige nga, Luestro, sige nga, sabihin mo nga na sinasabi mo lang ang dahilan kung bakit i-withdraw ninyo ang inyong witnesses.
Oh, and if it is a proffer or a tender, it is clear to everyone, in-exclude yun. Kaya ko nga lang nilalagay. But tama naman si presiding officer, it's akin, it's not the same. But dun kasi sa tender, nag-ruling eh. So it's very clear to us it's unacceptable, di ba? So after the very eloquent manifestation of Attorney Kapunan yesterday, if I was a layman, I would think what you said, whether it was the agent John Mark, whether it was the second witness sa NBI, was true. Kasi parang may summation. The same thing with you, the very able lead prosecutor and chairperson of the House Committee on Justice, di ba? Having said that, I agree with you, this is an impeachment court. People have to know why. But I think we've been very lenient. No one except the spokesperson has spoken about the sub judice rule. So you can actually explain it in the press con afterwards, if I may, no? Because nga, I was also observing yesterday and I was saying, kung ako yung defense, dadagdagan ko na yung witness ngayon at every time i-withdraw,
Diba?
may chance akong i-explain bakit wini-withdraw, then reinforce kung ano yung sinabi nung before. So I understand you completely, ma'am. People have to understand why it's not a sign of weakness. In fact, in your it's a sign that you've achieved your position. But we can do that in the press cons and other forums. But if you do it kasi here, walang chance yung prosecution to rebut that. Or if they do, it's one rebutting the other rather than the witness standing. So if I may offer that solution, Mr. Presiding Officer.
As ruled by the presiding officer, henceforth, that will no longer be allowed. Counsel for respondent, you wanted to be recognized?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes, ma'am.
May I just very briefly, so that I won't take any more time of precious time of the court and our everyone who's here. With just a brief response to the lead prosecutor's counter manifestation that this is because this is a constitutional procedure. We understand that. When we came here, mulat ang aming mga mata na pumunta rito at alam namin na ito ay isang constitutional mekanismo. Kaya nga, yung sinasabi ko kanina at ang aking kahilingan lamang ay nakasandig doon sa prinsipyo na yon na dahil ito ay isang constitutional mechanism, kailangan siguraduhin natin na balanse at patas yung lahat ng magaganap. At hindi ko, I find it difficult to understand how manifestations containing assertions that are laden with conclusions and personal advocacy and obviously one-sided advocacy of either parties would help the court arrive at the proper determination of whether the respondent is guilty or not guilty of the charges contained in the articles of impeachment. Hindi rin po ito in response po to our just good Senator Pangilinan, hindi po technical na or rules, no, yung aking ini-invoke dito, kundi yung actually, it's substantive dahil ito ay nakasandig sa ating salong batas. Salamat po.
Noted. Senator Judge Pia Cayetano is recognized. What is your pleasure, ma'am?
I would just like to support the ruling of the presiding officer, cautioning the both prosecution and defense. I too noticed the esteemed Attorney Lorna Capunan's lengthy explanation on the withdrawal of the witnesses. But because she is Lorna Capunan, nakikinig ako. In the same way na even if I don't know some of your names, makikinig ako sa inyo. Rest assured. At I think it's her first time to also stand up. So I was being very patient in listening to her. But I did take note of some statements that sabi ko parang conclusions na to or excessive explanation of her observations which I didn't think were proper. So, okay na yon, tapos na yon, pero moving forward nga, Mr. Presiding Officer, I agree with you. And I just need to put this on record kasi nga, sinasabing wag tayo masyadong technical. Pero, to a certain extent, kailangan naman ho natin tingnan naman yung rules natin kasi, maayos ho tayo, di ba? So, I want to read into the record. This might be a paraphrase na nung sinabi niya ha, kasi sinasummarize namin ng team ko yung statements. And anyway, hindi ko na mahanap sa phone ko dahil kahapon pa yon. But I recall, no, and feel free to correct me, but this is a minor thing naman. Parang dinescribe niya kung bakit hindi na daw papupuntahin si Attorney Lopez. Kasi naman daw, napakita na daw ng defense yung video kung saan siya ay crying and complaining. So observations na po yun ni Attorney Capunan. Hindi po siya ang witness. Hindi po siya ang dapat nagsasabi sa judges na crying and complaining yung isang testigo. Trabaho po yun ng abogado na i-elicit yon dun sa witness na mapipresenta doon. So yun po yung reason kung bakit hindi ho pwede yun. We're not being technical, but neither of the lawyers here are allowed to stand up and be the one to explain what you are experiencing. That is that is for the witness to do. Your job is to ask the witness questions. Yun. So to be clear, it's not being technical, but it's making sure that magawa niyo yung trabaho niyo na maayos at magtanong tayo ng maayos sa witnesses. Kung di na pala siya papupuntayan, di no need na to say kung ano yung na-observe. Kasi nga,
Diba?
hindi na ho sa inyo yon as lawyers. Yun lang.
Any
With
other points?
manifestation, Your Honor.
Marami po silang ang prosecution panel, marami po silang mga ganyan na talagang pinapasok talaga. Parang sa akin, nandadaya na kayo eh. Parang ganun yun. Sa akin lang yun.
Hindi tayo titigil yan, Jervil, sinasabi ko sa'yo. Yes,
I just want to
one
put
last
on record, Your
manifestation
Honor.
from the Honorable Luisra without prejudice to another manifestation from counsel for respondent.
Thank you.
I just want to manifest, Your Honor, that the Honorable Impeachment Court has been very much fair in as far as this issue is concerned. As a
Pero sa inyo, dami nyo nang sinabi.
matter of fact, the presiding officer even asked the lead defense counsel if she would like to avail of the same opportunity to explain the reason for the withdrawal in the event the defense would be withdrawing likewise their witnesses. Also, Your Honor, may I just add, and with all due respect to Honorable Senator Pia Cayetano, the intention of the prosecution is never to abuse the time of the impeachment court. It is never to influence the senator judges. Nor is it to influence the viewing public. The explanation was a statement of the position of the prosecution, and of course, it is anticipated that the same is adverse to the other party because it is apparent that we are in the prosecution side while the opposing counsel is on the defense side. But nonetheless, let me reiterate and put on record, Your Honor, the purpose is not to influence the senator judges.
May not be in your opinion, but to my opinion, sinabi mo na eh, napatunayan na ganito na. Ganon din si Capunan. Anong purpose ninyo? Kailangan ninyong habaan. At nakikinig ang tao sa inyo dahil lamang wini-withdraw lang ninyo yung inyong mga witnesses.
Neither is it to influence the viewing public. It is only a statement of position of the prosecution for withdrawing the names of the prosecution's witnesses, Your Honor.
Noted, and the ruling of the court stands on the matter.
Just a
Counsel for respondent.
brief counter manifestation, Your Honor. I thank the lead prosecutor for mentioning that the same courtesy was earlier offered to the defense with respect to providing lengthy discourses or manifestations before this court. But I think the point essentially that I'm trying to make is that we're not asking the court for any advantage. What we're merely asking
They're not asking the court for any advantage. Na kinuha na ninyo, prosecutors.
is fairness. That's all, Your Honor. Thank you.
When you're ready and you have 2 minutes.
O, ito po yung last ni, ito po ang talagang, kumbaga, medyo grabe, in my opinion.
For the prosecution,
Grabe yan para sa akin. Hindi niya pinaporma dito si Luis Troy.
do you consider Las Canas an important witness for you, for the prosecution?
With all due respect, Your Honor, the purpose of the testimony is to present what transpired during the investigation of the Special Task Force. As to whether or not what probative value it holds, it is not part actually of the decision of the prosecution, as what we are intending to do here is to present only what happened during the investigation of the NBI, Your Honor.
Really? Yun lang ang gusto nilang ipakita? What happened sa pag-iimbestiga ng NBI? Ewan ko sa inyo. Ayan. Lagot ka.
Mr. Presiding Officer, the rules of evidence are very clear. You either present a witness who provides your testimony or you present a document. And in terms of documents, Rule 132, Section 19 says there are two classes of documents, public documents and private documents. Included in public documents are documents acknowledged before a notary public. Yung pinakitang document is not acknowledged by a notary public. Pwede naman din ang private documents, that's the other class. If it can be shown and authenticated in any of the following manner. The person saw the document executed or written. Nakita ba ng witness mo na sinulat yon? Nakita ba niya?
Your Honor, we can...
No, please answer my question.
No, Your Honor.
The next manner of authenticating by evidence of the genuineness of the signature or handwriting of the maker. The defense said ni walang original signature doon. Do you disagree with that?
We don't, Your Honor.
Okay, and the third, by other evidence showing its due execution and authenticity, did you provide?
No, Your Honor.
Okay, so simple lang, Mr. Presiding Officer. They're trying to prove something by showing a document that any law student, even yung mga kababayan natin na nakikinig na ngayon na ang dami ng alam sa procedure, will tell you na hindi acceptable yon.
Correct.
And with all due respect, katulad din nung kahapon na humingi ako ng payo sa inyo, again, I will not name names, we had a discussion in caucus na you cannot unsee what you see.
Correct.
You cannot unhear what you hear. So pinalabas yun. Wala akong problema na palabasin yun, pero do your job and present the proper witness and the proper documentation to do that. Do your job.
Alam niyo mga kababayan, kung hindi pa po ninyo natatandaan, ito po yung ipinapakita kasi ni ni Matibag, yung kay Las Cañas, na ang bantot-bantot ng mga sinabi doon, mga kababayan. Kung gusto po ninyo, balikan po ninyo yung statement na yon, na galing daw yon kay sa statement ni Las Cañas. Tapos nung hinahanapan siya ng mga signature, notary, sagot ni Luestro, sa ICC daw, hindi na kailangan notary or signature or whatever. Kaya sabi nitong si presiding officer Escudero, hindi tayo ICC. So, ang bantot-bantot po, di ba sabi ko sa inyo, ang purpose nito ay siraan si VP Sara. Ayun na nga, nung binabasa nila yung statement na galing kuno kay Las Cañas, ang bantot-bantot, ang sama-sama ng nakalagay doon, mga kababayan, against kay VP Sara. Pero wala namang signature, walang notary, hindi alam ni Melvin Matibag, wala siyang alam, basta lang isang basurang papel. Dahil ang purpose nila, manira lang talaga. Kung hindi pa po natin nakikita ito, iyan po talaga ang purpose kung bakit gusto nilang pahabain ito at kung ano-anong gusto nilang itanong at kalkalin.
I'm addressing this, Mr. Presiding Officer, to us as a body. Kasi hindi tama yon. Magdidesisyon tayo, you warn us, pero pinabayaan natin na makita yon.
Di ba?
Minamarkahan pa, sub-markings. What's the purpose of all that?
Diba? Cheese! Bakit hinayaan mong basahin? Sinabi na nga po ng defense ni Attorney Binloan na yung papel na yon ay just a piece of garbage. Kumbaga, hindi naman garbage yung sinabi niya, trash yata. Ay bakit hinayaan mo pang pabasahin na napakawalang hiya naman nung papel na yun na wala namang value kundi basura kumbaga. Pero hinayaan mo, cheese, na basahin yun. Nasiraan na si BP Sara. Hay nako.
May I respond, Your Honor?
No.
Not really.
I don't believe
because
there was
I already
a question.
answered. I already asked you the questions and you had a chance to respond. Yes.
Yeah. Hindi siya pinapupurma ni Senator Pia Cayetano. Ano ka ngayon? Luis Tro. Kala kasi nila hindi mahuhuli eh. Kala mo kung sino itong mga to eh. Na maglalagay na lang sila dyan ng kung ano-ano na lang siraan si BP Sara. Napakawalang hiya ninyo. Ikaw naman, Chase, ano ba yan? Tama si Senator Pia Cayetano. What is this about? Magdi-decide kayo na ang ibinasa doon na wala man lang kapirma-pirma ni walang alam si Matibag na witness ninyo na yun ay sinulat sa harapan ni Matibag. Walang signature. Basta lang isang papilis lang, isang papel lang na binasa-basang ganun ang pangit-pangit ng nakalagay.
There was no question posed to her. I was
There's none, yes.
telling the lead prosecutor.
I move to my next point, Mr.
O ano ka, Cheese? Pahiya ka, ano? Pinabayaan mong basahin yun na wala namang kakwenta-kwenta. Ano to, Cheese? Ano ito? Ito na ba ang kabayaran ng paglipat mo, ng pag-alis ng kaso sa'yo? Bakit ganon, Escudero? Ba't mo hinayaan basahin yon? Tapos hinayaan mo pang markahan as evidence. Samantalang sinabi na nga na walang value yun kasi nga po hindi notarized. Hindi pinirmahan. Hindi nakita ni Matibag. Walang value talaga kung hindi paninira lamang. Pero pinabayaan mo, Cheese. Ano ba yan?
Presiding Officer.
Mm.
Our
Kakainis.
jurisprudence is very clear, no? A witness must be competent and credible. Hindi ko na babasahin lahat yung jurisprudence natin dyan dahil kompleto na yung record natin dyan.
Ang isa pa mga kababayan, bakit si Matibag? Anong alam naman ni Matibag? Napakabayas. Yung asawa niya pumirma for impeachment. Tapos si Matibag nagwe-witness for the prosecutor. Ano yan? Inuunggoy tayo mga kababayan.